Hello everyone and welcome to the session 8 of Unit 3 Estimation in Machine Shop. Myself Muhammad Imran. So let us go to the problem. This is a combined kind of problem, so this is very important. So you can see these kind of problems in every question paper, so please concentrate more on these kind of problems. So estimates the machining time to complete the job as shown in figure from the basic raw material 50 dia and 100 millimeter length. So the basic raw material is 50 dia and 100 length. So out of that raw material you have to make these operations. So cutting speed for turning is 30 meter per minute. Cutting speed for turning, so we have different kinds of operations. So for different operation we have different cutting speed. So for cutting speed for turning is 30 meter per minute and feed is 1 millimeter per revolution. Depth of cut is 2.5 millimeter per turning. Cutting speed for thread cutting is 9 meter per minute. Cutting speed for drilling is 30 meter per minute and feed for drilling is 0.2 millimeter per revolution. All the dimensions are in millimeter. So this is the figure. So initial raw material is 50 dia and out of it you have to make this kind of operation. So we have turning operation, and after that we have step turning. After that we have threading operation, internal threading and outer threading, drilling operation, and everything is there. So let us solve step by step. So this consists of many steps here. So solution for turning, cutting speed is 30 meter per minute and feed is 1 millimeter per revolution, that is 0.1 centimeter per revolution. Depth of cut is 2.5 that is 0.25 centimeter. For thread cutting, the cutting speed is 9 meter per minute. For drilling, cutting speed is 30 meter per minute. Drilling, the feed is 0.2 millimeter per revolution, that is 0.02 centimeter per revolution. So in the first step, the turning operation you have to make, you have to reduce the diameter from 50 to 40 for a length of 100 So 100 here, 40, 50, 70, 85 is the workpiece length here. So 100 length, the workpiece length is given as 100 So first step you have to reduce the 50 to 40 dia, that is the depth of cut is 2.5 So in each step you can cut maximum depth of cut you can give is 2.5 that radially diametrically it will cut 5 So that means this so initially the 50 is reduced to 40 so we have first step as 40 So first you make a 40 throughout. So for that we require two steps. So in first step you have to convert 50 to 45 and after that you have to convert 45 to 50 for same length, that is 100 centimeter, 100 millimeter, 10 centimeter. So in the first step you have to reduce 50 to 40 dia. Two cuts are required. In first cut you have to reduce it from 50 to 45 and in the second cut you have to reduce the diameter from 45 to 40. So this is the 40 dia here. So N1, so diameter is 55 centimeter, length is 100 and feed is 1 minute per revolution, 1.1 centimeter per revolution, 100 S by 5D. So S is 30 meter per minute for cutting for turning operation, and diameter of the workpiece, the raw material diameter is 5. So you have to take initially as 5. So RPM will be 191 RPM. So for first cut T1 equals to L divided by F into N. So L is 10 centimeter and feed is 0.1 and N is RPM, we got it as 191. So time for first cut is 0.524 minutes. This is the time required for turning 50 to 45 millimeter. After that we have to take another cut from 45 to 40 millimeter. So for second cut N2 is 100 S by pi D. So D he has to take initially the raw material size was 5, now it has turned to 4.5, so you have to take 4.5 here. So the workpiece is rotating at a speed of 4.5. So RPM will be 212. Everything remains same here, length and feed. So just you have to substitute N2 here. So we'll got 0.47 minute for second cut. So now our job is finished from 50 to 40 for a length of 100 But now we require, again this is finished here. Now this 15 length is finished now. So now next step is to concentrate on this lens. So in the next operation, you have to reduce the dia from 40 mm to 30 mm for a length of 70 mm. So 40, 50 and 70. So for 70 mm, this is finished now, 40 mm, so you should not touch here. So now next operation here, steps turning. So we can reduce here 30 mm it is there. So you have to reduce it to 30 mm dia. So including this, you have to first initially you have to turn all these things. So total length for 30 mm dia is 40 plus 10, 50 plus 20, 70. So now you have to turn from dia 40 to 30 mm. It is not possible in one cut. So 10 mm is there. So diametrically it will cut 5 mm. So that means two cuts are required. So in the first cut you have to reduce 40 mm dia to 35, and after that you have to reduce it 35 to 30 mm in two steps. So in the first step you have to reduce 40 to 35 for a length of 70. So length is 7, speed is 0.1, and the n is we have to take the workpiece is rotating at a 40 mm. So because we have done it to RPM of diameter, we have reduced it to 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter it will rotate. So you have to take diameter as 4 centimeter here. So T3 equals to this much, 0.293 minute. So this is the time required for turning 40 to 35 mm dia for a length of 70. Now in the next step you have to reduce the diameter from 35 to 30 for a length, same length, 7 centimeter. So here the diameter you have to take as 3.5 because you have turned the dia from 4 centimeter to 3.5. So you have to take here 3.5 dia. So you will get the time for fourth operation is 0.2560. Now the workpiece is finished to this step 40 and 30 up to this length. Now the left turning is left is only for this length. So we have to convert it into 25 mm dia for a length of 40. So next step is reducing the dia from, now it is 30 throughout for a length of 70 here. Now we just this portion is finished now. Should not touch this portion. We have to turn here for a length of 40 plus 10, that is 50. We have to make dia from 30 to 25. So 5 mm means depth of cut is 25 mm radially. So diametrically it will be 5 mm. It will be possible in single cut. So reducing diameter from 30 to 25 mm for a length of 50 mm, that is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is our length. Speed is same, 100 into tau into pi into d, because the workpiece we have made it for 30 mm now. So workpiece will rotate at a speed of 30 diameter. So 3 centimeter, 30 millimeter means 3 centimeter you have to take. So that will be pi into 30, pi 100 into s, pi into d. D is 3 centimeter. So time is 0.157 minute. So we have finished this turning operation now. Step turning is finished. Now you have to, either you can go for external thread or you can go for tapping here. So we move into the tapping operation. So before tapping we need to drill a hole here. So size of this hole is 10 mm dia and 30 mm long. So length of the hole is 30 mm. So L is 30 and the diameter of the drill bit, we are using drill bit now. So we have to take a drill bit not for drilling operation. You must take the diameter as drill bit, diameter of the drill bit, not the diameter of the workpiece. So T4 is length of the workpiece is 3 and speed for drilling is 0.02 centimeter. This is here RPM 100 s by pi d. So d is our 1 centimeter because we are making a hole of 10 millimeter dia. So that is 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter is nothing but 1 centimeter. So you substitute this, you will get time for drilling 1 centimeter dia for a length of 3 centimeter is 0.157. Now the drilling operation is over. Now you have to make a tapping operation. So for tapping operation, let's the number of cuts as 7 because we have different formula for finding the number of cuts. The one formula is depending upon the material. Directly we can take for different material. If he has mentioned the material, it is not mentioned here. Estimate the time required to complete the job, basic raw material is not mentioned. So other method is to find out the number of cuts by means of pitch into 32 for pitch multiplied by 32 for internal thread, pitch multiplied by 25 for external thread. So our pitch is 0.2 centimeter. So as mentioned here, 2 millimeter is 0.2 centimeter. 0.2 into it is a internal thread, so 32 means it will become 6.4, so rounded up to 7 cuts. So number of cuts will be 7 here. So length of the thread is 30 mm. So depth is 1 centimeter, diameter is 1 centimeter. So formula for threading operation is length of thread divided by pitch into RPM. Pitch is 0.2, RPM is 100 S by pi into D. Here also you have to take the diameter of the tap here. Diameter of the tap is 1. So 100 S by pi into D. So into number of cuts is 7. So we will get 0.367 for drilling, for tapping this 1 centimeter into 3 centimeter long tap with a pitch of 0.2 centimeter. So this is the time for tapping. Now only left is here the external threads here. External thread of diameter 25 mm and length of the thread is 40 mm. Pitch is 3 mm. So number of cuts is again 3 we are assuming, because the formula is for pitch into 25. So pitch is 3 millimeter, that is 0.3 centimeter into 25 is 7.5. We are making it as again 7 mm. You can take 8 also, because 7.5 is in the middle. You can make it to next greater value, or you can reduce it to lower value also. So we are making it as 7 cuts. So you can take 8 cut also, no problem. So the length of the thread is 4 centimeter. You can see the length is 4 centimeter and the diameter is 2.5 centimeter. Pitch is 0.3 centimeter is given here. 3 millimeter, we have to convert it into centimeter, that is 0.3 centimeter. So time for external thread, length of the thread is 4 centimeter divided by pitch is 0.3 into RPM is 100 S by pi D. N equals to 100 S by pi D. 100 S is cutting speed for threading is different. So he has mentioned in the problem, cutting speed for threading is 9 meter per minute. Both for internal and external threading, you have to take 9 minutes here. So this is for internal thread and this is for external thread. You have to take 9 meter per minute. So 100 S by pi D. Here you have to take external, for external thread you have to take the diameter of the workpiece, because there is no rotating drill bit we are using for external thread. We are using single point cutting tool. So we have to take the diameter of the workpiece. So in case of tapping internal thread, we have to take the diameter of the tap. So in case of external thread, you have to take the diameter of the workpiece. So this point you have to remember. So number of cuts is 700 S by pi D. So that will be 0.8414 minutes. So if you keep on adding all those timings, this is for turning operation from 40 to 50 to 45, and this is for 45 to 40, this is for 40 to 30, and this is for 40 to 35, this is for 35 to 30, and this is for 35 to 25, and this is for drilling operation, this is for tapping operation, and this is for external thread operation. So keep on adding all these times, so you will get total time as 3.038 minutes. So total time required for this operation is 3.038 minutes per session. So thank you for watching.